This is the covenant, a city-state constitution. Landlord contracts are prohibited. Only residents can own property. There is a UBI system with $60 a month at 10 years old, goes to $660 as you age. There's an electricity tax, a sin tax, property tax, and child tax. There is a hexarchy, a rule by 6, that determines the changes to be voted on by a direct democracy approval process. Tax and UBI changes are 2/3 majority, large public projects 2/3 majority, altering the law 5/6 majority. Large public projects are a one-time fee. There's a charity market, which sounds exactly like it is. Then there is a immigration council, which is hired by the hexarchy, a development council, which is engineers, artistic councils, which is artists, criminal and civil court, and then a coin voting system, which replaces a ballot system, a transparent public budget. Then there is a sociopath court to ostracize sociopaths, a residence arrest, which allows the arrest of government employees that violate this contract, and then a libertarian economy, which is gold, silver, barter, and cryptocurrency, no public school, and no taxation outside of this contract. That concludes the speedrun of the covenant contract, and remember, a single dream is more powerful than 1,000 realities.
Come now, long expected Jesus, born to set thy people free. From our fears and sins release us, let us find our rest in thee. Alleluia, God is with us, grace and truth and life he brings. Light of the world, our promise.